Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook reviews to your Wix website. So let's get started. First thing, you're going to find yourself at the Wix homepage. You want to navigate to the left side and you want to click on apps. And then here, you're going to click on app market. Alternatively, you can click the first link down in the description and it's going to take you directly to the page that we are looking for. Now, once you find yourself here, click on search apps and type in F-E-R-A, Fera. Here, you're going to find this app, which is called Fera Reviews. As you can see, I already have it installed. But what you can do is you can click on this app and you can click Install Application. Once you've installed it, you want to open the app. You're going to find yourself at this page. What you want to do is you want to click on Add/Import Reviews. Here, you want to navigate to the top right corner and click on this green button which says Add Reviews. So I'm going to click this, and then you have three options. You can either import or sync reviews. You can write them manually, or you can ask your customers to give you reviews. So in this case, we're looking for importing them. And here you can see you have many different options, but the one we are looking for is Facebook. So you want to click on Facebook, and then it's going to ask you to connect your Facebook page to Fera. Once you've connected it, all you have to do is simply click on Sync Now, and this is how you import reviews from Facebook to your Wix website. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook reviews to your Shopify website. So let's get started. First thing, you're going to find yourself at the Shopify homepage. What you want to do is you want to navigate to the left and click on Apps. Once you click on apps, you want to click on recommended apps, and here navigate bottom and find more apps in the Shopify App Store. Alternatively, you can click the first link down in the description and use my link to go directly to the page that we are looking for. This is what we're looking for, F-E-R-E, Fera Product Reviews App. Here, you want to click Add App. As you can see, the app is already installed on my store. Once you've installed Fera, you're going to find yourself at this page right here. What you want to do is you want to click on Add/Import Reviews. Once you've done that, you want to navigate to the top right corner and click on Add Reviews. Once you do that, you'll have three options to choose from: either import or sync, write manually, or ask customers. In our case, we're looking to import or sync. Now, here, once again, you have different options to choose from. In our case, we are looking for Facebook. So click on Facebook, and here you can connect your Facebook page to Fera. Once you've done that, all you have to do is simply click on Sync Now, and Fera is going to take all of your reviews from Facebook and import it to your Shopify store. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video.